Prior to the passing of Hurricane Laura through southwest Louisiana, port personnel for the Lake Charles Harbor and Terminal District secured the 2 loading and the 2 unloading dock equipment into a stowed position at their BT-1 dock facility. During the Category 4 Hurricane Laura, the 2 ship unloaders broke from their stowed position and traveled south along the dock and collided with the south ship loader, pushing the loader into the water. With the passing of the hurricane eye and change in wind direction, the larger ship unloader then traveled the full length of the dock north and collided with the north ship loader, which remained on the dock. The after-storm assessment by Port Engineering determined that all equipment was damaged beyond repair. Through competitive bidding, Alfred Palma LLC was awarded the project for the removal of the 4 pieces of equipment. With their marine subcontractor, Bomat Contractors Limited, the equipment was removed within the time frame allowed by the port. The following is a time-lapse replay of the removal.